How to do it on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the newsfeed page on Instagram. On this screen, navigate to the video you want to do it with. Then, tap on the three dots in the side menu. Then from this menu, tap on this option Remix in the top panel. From the options that appear, select the camera icon at the bottom left and tap on it. The camera screen will appear in this page. You need to select the layout option from the side panel. The screen will split into two, with the original video on one side and your camera on the other. Record your response or addition to the video. You can add effects, filters, and text to your Duet video. Once you're happy with your Duet, tap Next and add a caption, hashtags, and any other details. Then tap Share to post your Duet. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Duet on Instagram. So, by following these steps, you can do it on Instagram.